Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have two active numbers, either two SIMs or one SIM plus a separate WhatsApp business account. Next, install both WhatsApp apps if needed. Make sure each app is updated. Once installed, backup chats on the account you'll change to avoid data loss. Now open the first app and follow the verification flow using the number assigned to that app so you're ready to switch into the next step. Now you open the second WhatsApp instance, either the business app or a separate user profile, and start verification. Enter the second phone number and choose SMS or call verification. You'll get a code that you must input quickly. Once verified, restore any backup offered so you keep messages tied to that number. Then set your display name and profile photo to differentiate accounts. Make sure notifications are enabled. So to finish, organize both apps so you can access them quickly. Pin them to separate home screens, use distinct icons or notification tones, and label contacts if needed. You can use WhatsApp Web for each account by scanning the QR codes separately in different browser profiles or browsers. If something goes wrong, recheck the SIM activation and network, toggle airplane mode to reset connectivity, and retry verification. If you still can't verify, restart the phone and attempt the code again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.